Highlighter, a cosmetic product reflecting light, is a makeup essential, often utilized for contouring to brighten specific areas and create a dimensional effect. Its application on the highest facial points, including cheekbones, nose bridge, and Cupid's bow, adds a radiant glow. Highlighters serve a dual purpose, attracting light and enhancing skin tone for a lit-from-within appearance. While their versatility is remarkable, choosing between powder, cream, or liquid formulations can be daunting. Application tools like tapered brushes, fingers, or fan brush allow control over intensity. Introducing Kashees Luminizer Highlighter, a beauty gem that harnesses the power of mineral dust to refract light, delicately softening and highlighting specific areas. This luminizer is your secret weapon to achieving a dewy makeup look, infusing your skin with a healthy glow when applied with a gentle touch. Explore the magic of Kashees for radiant and illuminated beauty. Becca's Champagne Pop Highlighter, a collaboration with makeup artist Jaclyn Hill, is renowned in the beauty community for its universally flattering soft, peachy gold shade. Tailored to enhance natural beauty, it delivers a radiant and dewy finish, complementing diverse skin tones and achieving a luminous, captivating glow. The N.Y.M.P.H collection ensures flawless summer skin with a water-based formula that seamlessly blends, providing a smooth, hydrated feel without streaks. Its sun-kissed shimmer, available in Aurora for deeper tones, Aphrodite for medium tones, and Luna for lighter tones, boasts water and transfer resistance for enduring radiance, blurring imperfections for a perfected look. Whether it's the universally acclaimed Champagne Pop by Becca, the customizable glow of Benefit Cookie Pearl Highlighter, or the Summer-Ready N.Y.M.P.H collection, each product contributes to the vibrant world of makeup, offering options for diverse preferences and skin tones.